to buy sp500 XTB? Follow the instructions. Download XTB xStation app or visit XTB website. Register for an account with your details. Complete KYC by uploading ID, proof of address. Wait for XTB to verify your account. Deposit funds into your XTB account using bank transfer, debit credit card or e-wallet. Search for S&P 500 instrument. Type US 500 for CFD or CSPX SPYL for ETF in search. Select the instrument, choose volume, number of lots or shares, click Buy to proceed. Set stop loss, take profit if needed, then review trade details and confirm your order. Monitor your open position in the xStation platform. Track profits and manage trades. Close your position when ready. Withdraw profits to your bank or e-wallet from XTB. Thank you for watching.